This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Beautiful townhome. First floor lives large west/high ceilings, open floor plan and contiguous bamboo flooring. Spacious kitchen has plenty of room for a rolling island, but there's plenty of counter space, a good-sized pantry, and a long breakfast bar. Dining area will fit a huge table and there's still room for the great room. Plantation shutters add elegance and the screened patio is a lovely place to enjoy the balmy days here in paradise. Upstairs you will love the huge master suite with a sitting area, perfect for a home office setup, a generous ensuite bathroom west/separate shower and garden tub, double sink vanity, and huge walk-in closet west/built-ins. Best of all is the balcony to enjoy sunrises and rocket launches. Laundry closet is upstairs. Community pool. Close to the beach. For more info or to see this lovely home, please call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.